Side is on pothole patrol at this hour. Road work is still underway on I-264 in Norfolk. This is a live look from our wavy jam cams, and you can see VDOT contractors working to repair those concrete slabs and those potholes.
Well, 2 Fridays ago, Chopper 10 was above this problem. Fresh potholes in the eastbound lanes. VDOT says that because of it all happened because of too much rain. Those holes damaged cars and dozens of them. Some people call their insurance company to get it fixed.
But 10 on your side learned most people seem to be paying out of pocket. 10 on your side's Anita Blanton is live on I-264 to explain that part of the story. Anita?
Yeah, Tom, that ride out here has been pretty unpleasant the last couple of weeks. The road work that you were just talking about happening here behind me. And for a lot of you, this has meant that the potholes have been nearly impossible to miss. They've been all over the roadways. Whether you're in a car or on a motorcycle, it's been hard to go around them at times. That's meant shelling out some cash. So we went to the experts to find out important information you need to know. This was the scene 2 weeks ago that led to so many drivers dealing with damaged cars.
A lot of them are angry. 64 and 664 and 264. The potholes are pretty bad, and they give you a pretty significant jolt.
And the cost can add up quick.
Thousands of dollars. From a couple $100s for a tire to $4,000 or $5,000 for control arms and wheels.
Here at Pomoco Nissan, they have a computerized system free for Advantage customers that checks the alignment on cars in 45 seconds. But how do you know whether to pay for the rest of the issues on your own?
All sorts of things, bent wheels, busted tires, bent suspension, alignments knocked out, all sorts of frame damage. It's actually pretty bad.
Or is it time to call your insurance company for help?
I don't ever tell someone, don't file a claim.
Colin Owens with State Farm says you should know that hitting a pothole does count as a collision on your insurance. Much different from a rock popping up on the windshield or even hitting a fence.
If you hit a fence, well, that fence was there, you did have some control over what happens with your vehicle, as opposed to a deer coming across the road. It's really hard to avoid that.
If you're worried about a rate hike, though, he says every case is handled differently by various providers, so don't be afraid to call and check before opening up your wallet to pay.
It just varies. Everything's very different, case by case. But call your agent, have them take a look at your policy, see if you have any questions. They're always going to do the best they can to help you get the situation handled.
All right, a couple of things that you want to keep in mind tonight. Experts say you may want to look into road hazard insurance. They say it definitely can help you out if you end up in a pinch from hitting a pothole out here. Another thing, most of us have these smartphones. Use them. If you hit a pothole, take a picture, note the date and the time, and that'll help you out when you're reporting to VDOT and your insurance company if need be. In Norfolk, Anita Blanton, 10 on your side.